In this video, I will show you 6 possible ways to secure your TikTok account. Let me show you how. Open up your TikTok app. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on the profile right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this 3 slider. Proceed to setting and privacy. Then go ahead and scroll down right here. Proceed to security and permissions. Click on that. And here you go. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on security checkup. Just like so. These are the 6 possible ways to secure your TikTok account. All this need to be green right here. You have to make sure you fill up and set up all these, such as your phone number. Go ahead and make sure your phone number is up to date. Then your email address needs also to be fully updated. And then your 2-step verification right here needs to be enabled. You have to make sure you turn on 2-step verification and email verification, just like so. Then go ahead and come down right here and make sure you check your manage trusted device. Under the trusted device, this is where you will know the number of apps or other devices that is having access to your TikTok account. If you find out any unrecognized device right here, you can simply delete them. It's that simple. Then go back, continue to go back. Then your device right here, security activity, go ahead and check your security activity report, just like so. Then go ahead and check on your passkey. You have already created a passkey. If you have not created a passkey, it is advisable you create your passkey right here in order to secure your TikTok account. With this first 6 setting right here, your TikTok account is fully secure. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to secure your TikTok account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.